20-foot shipping container, computer controlled.
Right.
That lists for $50,000.
Yes.
Okay? This is exactly the same type of biomass gasification system. Does not have the computer, does not have the 20-foot shipping container, and does not have the same type of heat exchanger. This particular system has an air-to-air heat exchanger,
Okay.
basically that is taking the heat that's generated through the heat exchanger and forced out. So this is this used to be a smoker, and I converted it into a heat exchanger.
You are also genius.
So basically, if you want to come over here and take a look,
Yeah, you guys
actually see the heat's coming up through the tube, and the fan's blowing air through the tube.
very quick picture of different angles you can see it.
But I repurposed the smoker is what I did.
They were talking about they're going to build something themselves just to learn.
Well, as you saw in the other one, we've torn all the insulation off of it because we've been modifying it,
Right.
experimenting, those kinds of things.
So they were thinking how they can insulate this. Not if you use a smaller unit in a farm.
Yeah. Now, this has just a programmable relay system, and we're basically just running these two motors, and what we have is just a
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units.
It's a small programmable relay.
Right.
It works similar to what a PLC does, but it's much less simplistic. This is a $250 option. That one's a $10,000 option.
Yeah.
So you can see the price difference. But what that does is it controls the time on and time off of the materials based on the type of feedstock that you have in the unit. This one doesn't have a big 50-gallon biochar bucket. It has a 5-gallon biochar bucket.
Right.
And the auger just feeds the biochar straightly in the bucket. So this one has to be attended.
Right. Right. That's okay.
Now, you can put a big hopper here that keeps this one full, and you can put another auger on that fills a bigger bin. But that's why this one's much less money. This one only sells for $15,000.
Yeah.
But they produce the same product,
Right.
and they produce it based on
And
the
you
same
also
quantity.
harvest the heat.
That's correct. We're pulling the heat into the room. Has a draft fan, just a smaller one, and also has a primary fan down at the bottom. Basically, the process of gasification, I don't know how many of you have studied gasification, but is the starvation of oxygen at the primary zone. We actually want to make a gas. And then we blend that with the correct amount of oxygen in the heat exchanger to produce the heat. And again, if you look outside that door, you can see the emissions.
Nothing.
Or not see.
No parking. That's very good. So we have a big picture, we have a big picture, and there's a heat exchanger, which is very, very, very essential.
Now this particular unit is equipped with all the ports to put the probes in, all the devices. It can be upgraded to a completely PLC controlled unit. The gasifier is the same, so it can be upgraded to have more heat. This is designed to go in the back of a pickup truck to go show people the technology.